So today we're taking a look at a question which is asked all the time. Can you jailbreak a Roku TV device? How do you jailbreak a Roku TV device? How do I put other apps or downloader or streaming apps onto my Roku device which aren't in the store? So we're going to go through this today, show you what your options are, show you what it all means and how it works, because Roku's a little bit different to other devices. Before we do that though, if you're brand new here, do remember to hit that subscribe button. For anybody else, if you're a regular watcher, please comment your thoughts underneath, any questions, plus watch till the end really helps us out. Okay, so this is a Roku device. For those who don't know what a Roku device is, very similar to a Fire Stick, Apple TV, Android TV, Roku is its own user interface. And we all say the word jailbreak, when really, when it comes to streaming devices like a Fire Stick or a Roku device, we're talking about sideloading. We use the word jailbreak because that's what's searched for a lot, but really it's just sideloading apps onto your device from an unknown source, from a third-party source, from a source which isn't the initial, obviously, streaming store. So, Roku is very different to other devices. Roku has its own interface. It has all its own apps in there. It has its own channel. It doesn't specifically have the same options like a Fire Stick or Android TV does when it comes to sideloading or jailbreaking. You can't put a VPN on it directly on the device. You can only put VPNs on maybe your router or your router, whichever way you pronounce it. So when it comes to jailbreaking or sideloading, you can go via a developer options, but there's a catch to it. So let me just show you. So if you want to access the developer options, you have to push home 3 times, then up twice, then right, left, and you get to this screen. This is your developer settings, okay? In the developer settings, the developer application installer allows developers to test their own applications. To enable the installer, select Enable Installer and restart below. If you have enabled the installer, after your Roku player restarts, you can access the installer by pointing a web browser on the same subnet to this URL below. So you've got the subnet below. So you enable and restart, it should give you the option to put a password in as well. So what would happen is, you enable the installer, restart. This allows you to install apps if you're a developer, or just to install apps. Like on most devices, you need developer options to be able to sideload an app onto your device. But there's a catch. There's a catch with Roku. The issue with Roku is it has its own user interface, we know. It also has its own SDK for the actual apps. So it's not specifically running off of the standard Android interface. So standard Android applications do not work. That's why we can't install Downloader on it. That's why we can't install other applications which you would normally install on your mobile phone. If you're on Android, that is, you would normally install on a Fire TV, an Android TV. Those applications can't be installed. So they have to be applications which are developed for Roku devices. So that's where it becomes tricky. So you need to find those applications. If anyone wants more information on how to follow this developer settings and actually unlock it and try and install something, I will link a video I've done previously on how to do that underneath in the description. So it'll be in the description and it would be in the pinned comment for you as well. That will show you how to continue through this procedure I'm showing you now with the username, the address you need to go to, the installer. That will show you how to do that one. So to access the developer menu let's do it again, home 3 times, up, right, left, right, and then you're into this menu, okay? We've got quite a few Roku videos on the channel if they do interest you. So, the answer, as we're all asking, can you jailbreak a Roku device? Or sideload onto a Roku device? Technically, yes, you can, but the applications need to be compatible, okay? So, you can't sideload your applications you would use on other Android devices. You can sideload applications which are developed for Roku devices. Okay, there is a version of IPTV Smarters out there, I believe. I might look into that and actually showing you that video on that one. But obviously, all these apps here, which are coming from the Roku store, like Netflix, BBC, Channel 4, these have been developed directly for the Roku device. These applications on here would not work on the Fire Stick, would not work on your Apple TV, would not work on your mobile phone. These are developed using the Roku interface and their setup, so it works on here. Okay, so when it comes to side loading, anything like that, it has to be an application which is developed for Roku. Does that make sense? I think that probably makes sense to a lot of you, okay? I'm hoping that makes sense as we go through it. So ideally, side loading, you need to search up Roku apps, okay? If not, everything else you have to get is from the store itself. They have quite strict controls on what's in the store, so you wouldn't see any well, it wouldn't be a third-party app if it's in the store, but you wouldn't see any applications which aren't big names, very unlikely in here. You've got things like Rakuten TV, things like that, very, very good apps, very good to use, all in there, and they have lots of content on them. But this is why a lot of people choose to use an Android TV device, possibly a Fire Stick device, a standard Android device, because you have a little bit more option. Apple TV is the same as Roku in a way. They run off their own operating system. You can't really jailbreak or sideload to an Apple TV. You know, the applications need to be designed for that thing itself because they are very, very different. Okay, hopefully that answered your question. For anybody who wants some Roku videos, we've got one here about the settings you should turn off if you're a Roku user. We've got a couple more down here. This was the one I was talking about, how to open up the developer options and how to use it. I'll link that underneath. I'll also do the settings video underneath as well. But anyone who's interested in other streaming devices, all the videos are here on the channel. So do hit the follow button. We cover everything on all sort of devices, and I'll be doing a Roku video weekly again going forward from today. So if you are the Roku user and that's your device, we will also have a channel for you and a video for you every week. And these are all linked underneath. We've got a few more Roku videos on here. Obviously lots are based on streaming, but there's lots based on streaming news at the same time, all on the channel. Brilliant. I hope you liked that video. Quickly before we leave, quick word from one of our partners. This doesn't specifically help people on Roku, but you could put it into your router if you're after a VPN. A VPN is very useful for your streaming because it can unlock maybe your geo-locked content. It will keep you safe online. IPVanish has one of the fastest connections out there. Also has threat protection now, which helps with ad blocking, cookie blocking, all those sort of tracker blocking. That's all part of it now as well. And it's on a great price. The link underneath of this one is always the cheapest price we have for IPVanish VPN. That's linked underneath. They are a partner of ours. We only really mention them at the end of the video because if you're not interested in the VPN, you can still watch the whole video without having something advertised to you or promoted to you through it, okay? We do get a small commission, but obviously it's only $3.25 a month, so we're not making millions here, but it does just help us do what we do. So if you want to support the channel, you need a VPN, do consider using one of our links underneath. I've been using it for a long, long time now. They've got 75 plus regions, many, many countries, and it's all linked underneath for you. Brilliant. Well, I've been Doc Squiffy. Hope you liked that video. We'll be back with a new one, probably tomorrow. I think it's a new device tomorrow because I really need to release that video. Hit that subscribe.